Welcome to Homework Lib.
The first part of this question simply asks the factors to determine whether or not a chemical reaction will occur. Well, one of them is provided. Two molecules must collide. In addition to colliding, they must have sufficient energy. We refer to this as the activation energy. And they must have appropriate orientation so that the bonds that need to break can break and the bonds that need to form can form. Next, it wants to know if the rate of the reaction generally increases or decreases with temperature. Well, as temperature increases, the molecules move more quickly, thus they collide more readily with greater energy. If they are colliding more frequently with greater energy, then there is a greater likelihood of a reaction to occur, so the rate will increase with an increase in temperature. Then for part C, it wants to know which factor is most sensitive to the changes in temperature, increasing the rate of the reaction. Well, as I mentioned, as the temperature increases, the rate of collisions increase, and the rate of collisions with the appropriate activation energy increases. The most significant of these being the latter, where we have more collisions with sufficient energy, resulting in a faster reaction.